Hello children, welcome to Learner's Planet. Children, this is our third session for learning the usage of has and have. In this session, we are going to discuss some fill in the blanks. Okay? So let us begin. Children, so let us try these fill in the blanks. I dash a brick. Now children, we have learned that I is the first person, and we know that with the first person we use have. The correct fill in the blank will be have. So I have a brick. Let's have the next one. That man dash a car. Now that man over here is the third person. He is the third person singular, and we know that with the third person singular we use has. So the correct fill in the blank will be has. That man has a car. Okay? Now let us see the next one. The car dash two headlights. The car over here is a non-living thing, and we know that with a non-living thing we use has because this is a third person singular. So the correct option is, or actually the correct fill in the blank is has. The car has two headlights. So here's the next one. My friend dash a rabbit. My friend over here is the third person singular because I am the first person, you are the second person because you're listening to me, and my friend, he's the third person. Okay, and we know with the third person singular we use has. So the correct fill in the blank is has. So my friend has a rabbit. Now let us see the next fill in the blank. Avi and Kavi dash a lot of homework. Avi and Kavi are the names of two people, and we know that the name of people, they come with names of people, they come in the category of third person plural, and we know that in the third person plural to describe about the belonging we use have. So Avi and Kavi have a lot of homework to do. Okay, now let us see the next fill in the blank. My mother dash a big blue car. So over here my mother, she is the third person singular, and we know that we use has with the third person singular. So the correct fill in the blank will be my mother has a big blue car. Okay children? Now let us try this one. She dash a big cake. She is the third person singular. So we use has with the third person singular. The correct fill in the blank will be has. So she has a big cake. Now the next one is those children dash colorful flowers. Those children over here refers to a group of children. So they come under the third person plural. And with the third person plural, we use have. So the correct fill in the blank will be have. So the complete sentence is, those children have colorful flowers. The next fill in the blank is, my grandmother dash a huge farmhouse. So my grandmother is the third person singular over here. And with the third person singular, we use has. So the correct fill in the blank will be has. My grandmother has a huge farmhouse. Now the next fill in the blank is, my grandparents dash a garden. Now my grandparents, this refers to more than one person that I am talking to you about. So I am the speaker, you are the listener, and my grandparents, they are the third person plural. And with the third person plural, we use have. So the correct fill in the blank will be have. My grandparents have a garden. Okay, children? Now the next fill in the blank is, Mary and Tom dash a present. Now Mary and Tom, this refers to two people. So they come under third person plural with their names. So with the third person plural, we use have. So the correct fill in the blank will be have. So the complete sentence is, Mary and Tom have a present. Now the next one is, these houses dash new windows. These houses, it refers to a group of houses. So they come under third person singular, third person plural. I'm sorry, they come under third person plural. And with the third person plural, we use have. So the correct fill in the blank will be have. I hope you got it, children. Now children, let us try these fill in the blanks. Children, these fill in the blanks are different from the fill in the blanks that we did earlier. In these, we need to fill the person because we are given the has or have, which is to be used in the sentence. So let us begin. The first sentence, dash have a red ship. Now we will see that with what all or with who all persons we can use have. So have, it can be used with I, we, you, they, or names of people. Okay, so over here it could be I have a red ship, we have a red ship, you have a red ship, they have a red ship, or we could put any two names like Lisa and Peter. So Lisa and Peter have a red ship. I hope you understood what I'm saying, children. Now let us try the next fill in the blank. Has. It has over here. So dash has a grey kitten. Now we will see with which all persons we can use has. As we studied in the previous sessions, has can only be used with third person singular. So he has, she has, it has, and name of the person. Only one single person. Okay? So here we could have he has a grey kitten or she has a grey kitten, or name of the person. For example, Linda has a grey kitten. Children, we cannot use it in this fill in the blank because it refers to animals or non-living things. And over here we are talking about an animal. So we cannot use it. We can use the other three options. I hope you got it, children. Now let us see the next fill in the blank. Dash has a pink t-shirt. Now we have discussed that with what all persons we can use has. Only with third person singular. So it could be he has a pink t-shirt, she has a pink t-shirt, it has a pink t-shirt. If you have an animal which has worn a t-shirt, and name of the person. For example, Rishi has a pink t-shirt. Okay, children? So the next one is Dash have a big fish. Now let us see what all can fit there. I have a big fish. We have a big fish. You have a big fish. They have a big fish. And names of people like Harry and Nile have a big fish. Okay, children? Now let us see the next one. Dash have a little chick. So we can put in I have a little chick. We have a little chick. You have a little chick. They have a little chick. And names of people such as Zane and Louis have a little chick. Okay, children? Now let us see this fill in the blank. Dash has a big pig. So we use has with he, she, it and name of the person. So he has a big pig, she has a big pig and name of the person such as Liam has a big pig. We cannot use it over here because it refers animal and non-living thing, and over here we are talking about a pig which is an animal, so we cannot use it and we can use the other three options. Okay, children? So let us see the last one. Dash have two green socks. So let us see what can fill that blank. I have two green socks. We have two green socks. You have two green socks. They have two green socks. And Perry and Daniel have two green socks. I hope you got it, children. Thank you so much for watching this video, children. In the next session, we are going to solve some MCQs based on has and have. I hope you really enjoyed this session and please do practice. Okay? Bye.